guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm going to cook chana bhatura. So COVID people cannot travel, so I am going to take you to Delhi in South India. So I'm going to cook chana bhatura in South India. So like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Cheers. So yeah, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add tea leaf in this. So we're gonna add tamarind in this. At the same time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pressure cooker here, and we're gonna fry. Uh, so we're gonna fry onions in this. So paste onions. We're gonna add little oil in this. So we have made a paste, onion paste. So we're gonna fry this properly till it's become proper brown. So at the same time you can add all the spices in this and fry it well. I started getting that aroma already. So I'm going to use salt in this. It's a pink salt. It gives you really nice taste. So I love pink salt. So I'm going to use hing instead of baking soda. So mix it well. So why I add salt? Because it soaks all the water from the onion and it cooks faster. So meanwhile you can see the color it start getting and we're gonna add the same water in this with the masala. So before that we have to boil it well and soak all the tamarind flavor from that, and it should come out with the tea water. So you can see already it's slowly turning into brown. So it should be like halwa. It's really famous in Delhi, so I'm gonna make it in a Delhi style. So you can see it's become brown. So we're gonna add tomato. So 3 or 4 of tomatoes, and same procedure. We're gonna make it halwa, and I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste. So why we add ginger garlic paste together is because it soaks all the water together with tomatoes and makes it dry and makes it oily. So we're gonna fry this till it's become proper thick like halwa. So now it's ready. So we're gonna add all the masala. So we're gonna cook this till the smell goes off, the garam masala and the smell of masalas, and then we're gonna add the tea water, the tamarind tea water. So why we do use tea water is because it gives you the color and the same time it gives you the taste too. So we're gonna cook this for 2 minutes. That's it. So almost the masala is ready now. Yeah, so now it's ready. So we're gonna take out all this everything. So we're gonna add chickpeas. So we soaked it overnight. So or you can soak it for say 6 hours minimum. And we're gonna add little more water in this. And whistle this. So that's it, done. So 3 whistles, everything will be done. And we're gonna add potato in this. Optional again, so you can add potato or you can, it's up to you. So I'm gonna add 1 potato in this. So now you can see the color, it's come really good. So I'm gonna add full potato in this. That's it, done. So we're gonna whistle this up. So like this. And we're going to leave it for say 3 whistles and it's done. So it's ready now. Let's open it and see. It's come really beautiful. The color. Let's take it out. So let's garnish it. So finally it's ready. You can see it's come really good. So I'm going to taste this and you're going to make it at home and give me a feedback. So cheers.